Beautiful sunrise out there. It's been a while since we've seen the sun.
It is bright and sunny, but that's not really helping the temperatures. Oh, it is cold outside, and we've got a fresh blanket of snow on the ground. I don't even know if blanket is a strong enough word to describe just how much snow we got. A weighted blanket, how about that? I don't know. A lot of snow fell. Oh man, look at those views on the left-hand side of your screen as the sun comes up over Boone and Winston-Salem. They've still got some blowing snow up there in the high country as we speak, but it's ended for us here in the Triad. We are left with sunshine. A little bit of a dramatic reveal on our snowfall number from PTI Airport yesterday. If you're waking up wondering how much you got in Greensboro, about 10 inches of snow recorded at the airport there. That set a daily record for our snowiest January 31st ever recorded, and it was our biggest snow at PTI since December of 2018. You may remember that one back when we got a foot of snow. But just because PTI got 10 doesn't mean other folks didn't see more. We're going to take you through that list of totals across our entire area, and spoiler, some folks got a lot more than 10. We'll talk about that in a moment. But it was really just the perfect storm. Sounds a little cliche, but it really was. It could not have gone better for us if you wanted to see big snowfall totals. We were talking about how everything would need to go right for us to end up on that higher end of the snowfall total range we were forecasting. And that happened, and it happened for much of the area. We had snow continuously from Friday night all the way through Saturday night. It's ended now, plenty of sunshine. The coast still wrapping up with some snow showers down there early this morning as low pressure starts to pull away out into the Atlantic. What has happened is our winds have shifted, and they've really picked up as low pressure close by strengthens. 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts this morning up in the mountains. We've had some 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts in the Triad. So wind chill values very, very cold. It feels like negative 20 up there in the mountains this morning, and I've seen some below zero wind chills here in the Triad too. So travel will be bad today. Stay home, enjoy the snow from home if you can. Upper 20s for highs, but feeling like the teens with good sunshine today. A slow thaw and these impacts will last into the week though. We'll talk about how long I expect all this snow to stick around, as well as what you can expect in that 7-day coming up.